So x is 3, while the y is the same thing. Y is also 3, and the z is equals 18, so z is equals 6. Remember that when we graph systems and three variables, equations in three variables, and the x, y, z plane is always a plane. So these are the borderlines of that plane. So let's take a look how this plane is going to look like. Alright, so first of all, x is 3. So I'm making my plane from 3 units to 3 units. I'm going to connect that really carefully. And I'm going to connect this other ones. Of course, you're going to be using a ruler. So it will come out very beautifully. Now, we're going to proceed to graph our now, notice that because this is all less than 18, is all the area. We shade all this area here. And it's the area that's bounded by also by x, y, and z greater than 0. So it's that area that fits on that space that hits the origin and the x, the y, and the z axis. So it's that space, the space comprehended between the plane and the 3 axes that hits at the origin. So that's pretty much this feasible area, right? Is the area below this plane. That's the area we're looking at. The area below the plane that hits the positive x, y, z axis. Right. Now, z less than 3, well, that's a different constraint. So we're going to be graphing that guy. And then at z is 3, so it's right here. So now what we're going to do is erase, make another origin here towards the x-axis, right here, and towards the y-axis. And then it limits the area between this plane here and the positive x, y, z axis. So it is cutting this corner in here. So what I'm going to do is cut this little piece in here because I don't need it. Right, because it's pretty much that, whoops, I don't want to do that, is pretty much this area, the area bounded right there, right? So pretty much our 3D solid, it looks this way. So it is, think about this prism being shunked at that corner. At this corner has been chopped a little something in here. So that piece was chopped off from the prism. So you can sketch this prism in here, all right, in the triangular prism, and then notice that if you give it more, it's pretty much as a triangular prism what we're looking at, and this piece in here, this corner is being chopped off, right? So the